I recently purchased a Better Homes and Garden Brookbury 4-piece outdoor wicker sectional dining set from Walmart. The set arrived in a single box right to my door. Assembly was straightforward, the instructions were easy to follow, and all the tools I needed were included in the box. For the quality and the look of the set, the price point was reasonable. I hope this quick video gives you the confidence and guidance so you can easily assemble your own set. After taking all the pieces out of the box, I laid all the parts on the table and I grabbed the instruction manual. The instructions are easy to follow, step by step, and you start by making the sectional couch pieces first. There's a bolt with a washer and a nut on the end, and then there is a ratchet tool that comes with it and a wrench for easy assembly. And a helpful tip, as it says in the instructions as well, when you attach the feet, you want the little foot pad to be on the outside corner. I was very pleased that all the pieces were labeled so you knew which one to grab while you were reading the instructions. And here is the set all assembled. You could easily add some decorative pillows to add a pop of color. The bench that is there by the table, that lid comes off. I currently have the covers for the furniture that came with it stored in there. Thanks for watching the video. I first saw this outdoor furniture set displayed at the store and instantly loved it. The fact that it came with all the tools and easy to follow instructions made it even better. I'm very happy with my purchase and how it looks in my space.